Ayan, nakastart na yung 50-65cc. And Billy Villaruel, tulak na yan, tulak. Billy Villaruel, Municipal Administrator, and others. Engineer Alin Estrella. Maraming salamat po. So tulak na to ng P-Rider, proceed to the starting line. Valencia, Lucky Valencia. KG. Okay, isang babae yan ha, isang babae. Mayroon tayong babaeng rider dyan. No? Yung Parkon. Ready, beginner, local, open, enduro. Valencia, proceed to the registration booth. So, followed by Marian Yaparcon. Followed by from Cebu, Marian Yaparcon. And again, thank you riders for joining the third this is the first time to have a national race ng Shelby Sports Incorporated ang apat na tumaraw. Okay, intermediate, proceed. Last call for the intermediate, proceed to the starting line. Beginner local, open.